Okay, so we're back from our trip now. Now we're going to post-trip this unit. We're going to start same place we started last time on our pre-trip. We're going to open the hood up. We're going to start on the driver's side of the unit. Whoops, after we unlatch the hood. So now we're going to remember, like I said, after you've drove this truck, you can't check the engine oil for at least an hour. So your post-trip checks on the oil is not going to be any good, because what's going to happen is you're going to pull the dipstick and it's probably going to be low. You're going to add oil to it, and then once all the oil goes back down into the pan after sitting, you're going to be over full now, and over full is just as bad as being low. So now our post-trip here, we're going to check everything, make sure nothing's leaking. No antifreeze leaks. Make sure we still have both belts. Go to the passenger side, check for leaks. Look for broken components. We're going to do the same exact thing on the passenger side, watching for physical damage anywhere, which we probably won't find any unless something flew off the road. But we're going to check our belts, make sure both of them are there, make sure none of them are cut or really frayed or anything. Make sure everything's good. Checking brakes, all looks good. On these newer Cascadias, make sure that you remember on your hood there's a safety latch. Make sure you release that. If not, when you try forcing it, it's going to bust this plastic off of here. That's just so somebody can't walk by and push on the hood. It's going to give them a little pushback, and it's not going to allow them to shut the hood on you when you're under there. Again, we're going to check all our tires. You can use your fist and hammer fist it, or you can get a hammer. Just make sure nothing's broken and hanging. Make sure everything looks good underneath. You're going to do that on both units. Make sure all your mud flaps are still there, not cut and torn and hanging. Make sure nothing's bad underneath, broken or missing or hanging off. Mud flaps are good. Tires are still hard. Don't see any cuts or bulges or bruises or chunks of tread missing. Look on this side and make sure everything's good. Nothing's hanging, everything's good. Then we're going to check the lights again. Make sure all your lights are working. Headlights are still good. Turn signals are working. Cab lights are good. Brakes are good. Suspension, there's no worn out, loose, or broken components. No broken springs. Left turn signal's working. I tend to walk up and down these trailers multiple times because you might see something that you missed on the first trip around. Turn signal's working. I'm going to kick on the right turn signal. So we can recheck that side, make sure everything's good. Right turn signal's working back here. Tractor turn signals are working in the rear, in the side, and I can see the front gleaming off of my headache or cow catcher, I call it. It's cab guard, but I call it a cow catcher. And really there's no leaks or anything, everything's tight, looks good. I think that would conclude our post trip. On your post trips, if you find something wrong, I can't emphasize enough that we need you to write it up, because if it's not wrote up and you just call me or just tell me, I got a million things going and we're busy, so you have to write it up. If it gets wrote up, it'll be fixed.